Here's the bathroom. Sorry, I'm not getting myself into the shot. They gave us a ton of soaps, body lotions, and one thing that we will definitely need today is hand sanitizer. The tub, I will say that they do have a little bit of plumbing problems. I cut on the cold water this morning and then it started to fall out of the shower head. The hot water takes a little bit to heat up, but it's really nice. This is the only inconvenience. That black dot back there, I thought that was someone standing there. It went off. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we've got ample storage here. We've got a safe, just in case you need it. Ironing board. My husband's supposed to be doing this tour, but he's outside, so it's fine. Alright, so you've got like a simple kitchen setup here. One thing to note is at 11 o'clock they start serving like quesadillas and nachos and things like that. So we ended up getting that. You get a fridge, fully stocked. We got 2 road beers in there and lots of water. And then you've got a dining area, as well as a cute little seating area. A nice king-size bed. What we are in is a garden view room with the hot tub, which was, we'll go over that in a second. This is the bed. All right, and then we have outdoor. We're supposed to be doing this tour. You gonna get up and tell me about it at all? Okay, we're the deluxe room with the hot jetted tub, garden view. This is what you get to see outside of your window. You've got your pool, tiny little view over here of the beautiful ocean. My husband. Here, we'll do a walk around. You have these doors for privacy. Well, yes, doors for privacy. Do tell us about the hot tub situation.
The hot tub is interesting in that it takes forever to fill it with water, and the water is only lukewarm.
It also doesn't hot tub.
It doesn't hot tub either.
This is our view. There's a lot of rooms that aren't finished quite yet. Like we were viewing this room here last night, which the door has been open. And this is the hot tub, big enough to fit 2 people very comfortably, but like you said, it's out of water. And then you get this beautiful little balcony area. I think we paid like $250, all-inclusive package. And then your neighbors. The only thing that I would say is that our walls are thin, so there's a direct access in the little living room area to the people across the way, and you can very clearly hear their television. So that would be my only negative out of this room. They have 2 AC units, so we were very cool. In this room, if you didn't see before, has a lovely ceiling fan. All right.